Welcome to JH. Today we are tackling that lovely moment when PayPal decides to have an identity crisis and tells you, we're having trouble making sure it's you. This usually happens during login verification because apparently your password and secret questions just aren't enough evidence that you actually exist. To resolve this, let's start with the basics, your browser. You'll want to clear your cache and cookies, which is the tech world's version of have you tried washing your face? Just click the three dots at the top right of your screen, select Delete Browsing Data. Ensure cookies and cache are checked, and hit that delete button. While you're at it, try disabling your extensions. Ad blockers, VPNs, and DNS protections are great for privacy, but they tend to make PayPal's security system have a total meltdown. If your current browser is still acting like a stubborn child, try switching to a different one entirely. Next, make sure your contact information is actually up to date. If PayPal can't verify your identity via SMS or a call because you're still using a phone number from 2012, the login will fail every time. Pro tip: add a backup phone number now so you don't have to deal with this drama later. Moving on to your network settings, you need to turn off any proxies or VPNs. PayPal treats unusual IP addresses with the same suspicion as a person wearing a ski mask inside a bank. Stick to a stable, private connection and avoid public Wi-Fi, unless you want to share your financial data with everyone at the local coffee shop. You should also check your DNS settings, as some filters can accidentally block the verification process. Finally, if you've tried to log in so many times that the system hates you, you might just have to wait. PayPal may lock you out for 24 to 72 hours, which is their way of telling you to go outside and touch some grass. Follow these steps, and you'll have your PayPal back in no time.